All right, guys, welcome to Trucks and Other Stuff. In today's video, I'm going to discuss two things. Number one, I'm going to discuss the busted part that after just a year and a half of having this part on the vehicle, it should have lasted a lot longer. Just a year and a half, and this part broke. Half a year past warranty. The second item of business today is the reveal of the first, not the first, but the next mod for the 05 F250. So I know a lot of you guys subscribed and we're excited about the mods that we're going to do on the truck here, and we haven't got to any of them, but that is about to change. Okay, so those of you who subscribed because of that or are interested in truck mods, let me go ahead and show you. So you're gonna have to forgive the messy truck here, but we're gonna look down here, center console. I have a box. Yes, I have opened it. I wanted to see if it was the correct thing. Here we go. Priority mail. F250 1.5. What could that possibly mean? All right, let's open it up. Get rid of that. Open the box here. So this product is from Moto Fab. You can see that there. It is a 05 through 17 front lift kit. So basically it's a leveling kit. And the 1.5 that was written on the front of the box is in fact, because this is a 1.5 inch leveling block. You ask, why did you just get a 1.5 inch leveling kit? That doesn't make any sense. There's the block. And it also comes with hardware to secure it in place. Why, Wayne, did you get 1.5 inch leveling blocks instead of getting a cool 6-inch lift or something? You know why? Because I don't have much money. And also because this is functional. This right here is functional. Something else that is coming in the mail very soon is leaf springs for the rear of the truck. That's coming also. So that's really exciting. What that's going to do is that's going to lift up the back of the truck just a little bit, and it's going to make the rear suspension into more of a F250 suspension. I don't know if it's actually comparable or not, but I'm interested in less sag and more control of my enclosed trailer. That's what I'm interested in. And that's going to bring up the rear of the truck a little bit, and I wanted to level out. Already the truck sort of sits like this, you know, stock. The rear end sticks up a little bit and the front is a little shorter. So these 1.5 inch leveling blocks will raise up front a little bit while we are raising up the back just slightly also. So that is what is in store for the channel and for the truck, and that video should be coming out. I'll probably do that video in about a week when I have the chance on the weekend to put together the truck. All right, so that was the one item of business. That was the good thing. And then we have a negative thing. And you're going to have to bear with me for a second here. I'm going to pause the video and we're going to jack up the front of the truck and then show you what is going on. So I'll show you there in just a second. All right, guys. So this is the problem with the truck. We talked about the leveling kit that we're going to do. It's going to be installed here on the front. It's going to come, I believe it installs right here on the bottom of the leaf spring, or the coil spring right in there, and it spaces it out. But that's what we're going to do to improve the truck. But before we do that, we also, well, not before, but also when we're doing this, we need to do one thing. And you can probably see the oil here on here. This is from me trying to do preventative maintenance on the problem. But the problem with the truck is that the front wheel bearings are out. again. So sorry for the bumpiness here. I'm going to set up the tripod and try to show you exactly what's going on. So let's back this up a little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to wiggle the wheel here, and you might be able to hear a slight clicking sound, and you might not, but maybe you'll be able to see as I move it. Let's see if you can, I don't know if you saw that or not. We'll come closer. See if you can hear. I don't know if you can see it or not in the video, but there is a slight play as I move this back and forth. Shove on it, and I can feel a little clicking sound. And I've checked my ball joints and all that jazz, and I do believe that my front wheel bearings are out. I've only checked this side. I haven't checked this side over here. I assume, I can't feel it when it's down on the ground, but I assume that both of them are bad, and it's always smart to do both at the same time. Sometimes it's more expensive that way, but that's what I'm gonna do. So we got a leveling kit install coming up in the videos here on the channel, and we also have a repair that I'll show you. I'll both show you what you need to do the project, and also show you what caused the part to go out in the first place, and then some other tips and tricks that I ran into last time I repaired it. I didn't record it last time. That was before I had my channel, but I'll show you some things that I ran into, and maybe some helpful tricks, and maybe you guys can help me learn some more things also about installing these parts, about my truck. I am perfectly game for hearing about you guys' expertise in mechanics and trucks and such. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe with those couple things in mind. The mods that are going to go on the truck, we're going to have the leveling kit in the front and a leveling kit in the back, which will also give us a stiffer suspension in the back for pulling a trailer, which I will also show you in a few months when we take our trailer from here in the Mojave Desert all the way to southeast Wyoming. And then also on the channel, we're going to be doing the wheel bearings, amongst other things that I'd like to do on the truck, which I will tell you about later. But remember, subscribe. If you do subscribe, when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away a free 12-inch light bar. Yes, a free 12-inch light bar to a random subscriber when I hit 1,000 subscribers. A lot of times people tell you not to be desperate and not to beg for subscribers, but I sort of am. Really looking to do a lot of stuff with the channel, but until I get to that 1,000 subscriber mark, I can't really do much. So there's a number of different reasons why that is. Other YouTubers will know, but that's what I'm shooting for, 1,000 subscribers. Please help me do that. Please continue to help me grow this channel. Like, comment, and subscribe.